For downloading Anaconda Python, we'll type this on Google, and through this we'll go to the website anaconda.com. So in this we'll search for Anaconda installer. Okay, so this is the main website. You can scroll down, so we will see various packages are there. So we'll be using Jupyter and Spider for writing codes and executing in this, so they can do it directly. So for that we'll see Anaconda installer and we'll download it for Windows 64-bit. So this one will click, it will get downloaded, and then we install this by following the process. After that, if we type Anaconda in this search bar, so we'll get to see Spider IDE. So this Spider IDE we are going to use for coding. Okay, so just click on this and it will start. So this is Jupyter, another one. So we can invoke this also for writing Python code. So first we'll start with Spider. So it will take some time to get open. So here you can see left hand side the editor is there. So here you can write the code. So few already written files are there. We can remove these files. And right hand side you can see the console is there. So if I write some numbers here, it will provide me the operation. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 7. It is giving me sum also. And if I type print, so it is giving me that function. So it is working fine. So here I write one program to print something. And when I run this from the top menu, so I can see the output at the console. Okay, on the right hand side. I can save this file for further references and can run it either using IDE or using command prompt also if the Python is installed, as discussed in the previous video. Okay, so here I am assigning x is equal to 2 and already y has 7. So you can see these things 2 and so on. So that's it. Thank you.